Happy Friday. Good evening, actually. I just want to come in here real quick and just say I hope everybody's having a great Friday. I do have content planned for next week. This week I didn't really record a video, but I do still have some advice for Financial Freedom Friday. And it's something that I have been trying to do in my household, and that is practical ways to save money. Eating in more and trying to recreate your favorite meals that you like for takeout, create them at home. And tonight my family and I did our own homemade Chipotle bowls. So they were really good. In fact, my daughter was like, this is way better than Chipotle. So try that and see if that works for you. Let me know what recipes you have tried down in the comments, and if yours was better, or or if the restaurants was better. But hopefully yours was better, so you'll be more encouraged to do it again. But anyway, that's all I have for you this week. Happy Friday and stay blessed. Bye.